the fidget spinner. I got a white one so I could do this. I have two paints, silver and orange, and yeah, so. So guys, we're about to hydro dip this. My dad's just gonna put some spray paint on there, and
we'll put silver first, and we'll put the red on top, right?
Yeah, silver first and red on top.
How's that? Let's see how that works.
Hopefully, it just doesn't go into the water. Hopefully.
No, it won't. It'll float.
Okay,
Oh, that was cool.
Can I spray this one?
Alright, let's spray that. More.
That's good. Then more silver.
No, that's actually very good. That's need to.
No, we just need a stick.
Sticks. How's that?
Awesome. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this right now?
Oh, it's got some awesome patterns. Alright, let's dip it.
Okay, where is it?
Right here.
3, 2, 1, here we go!
Oh, that looks cool. How cool does that look?
Oh,
Hey?
that is awesome, dudes. Look at this.
Well,
Look at that.
just going to let it dry and then we'll have a look at it.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Okay, that's it.
That's awesome. So, yeah, we'll bring you guys back when it's dried.
When it's dry, we'll have a look at it again.
Yep. So guys, I took it out. This is what it looks like. And now we will do a spin test. Spins pretty well. I mean, like for what we did with the duct tape. And we'll see you in the next video.